Question 10. Penguins are flightless birds that eat fish. Most species of penguin live near the coast of Antarctica or on many islands that surround Antarctica. Figure 17 shows the population of 3 penguin species on an island off the coast of Antarctica. And part A of the question asks, before 1975, the only penguin species on the island were the Adelie penguin. Chinstrap penguins were first recorded on the island in 1976. The change in chinstrap penguin population are not directly related to abiotic factors. So the abiotic factors are the non-living factors. Suggest explanations for the change of the population of chinstrap penguins between 1976 and 2010. So we're dealing with this line on the graph, and we can see that throughout the years there's a general increase. There was a slight fluctuation, but overall there's been an increase in the number of chinstrap penguins. So in order to explain why that has happened, we could talk about the fact from marking point 1 that the penguin species have an overlapping niche. There is competitive exclusion that has occurred where you have 2 species that are competing for the same resources, and it results in one of those species having a slight advantage. Therefore they will survive and reproduce because they will get the resources, and the other species will see a decline in the population as they are not getting the resources. There could be an increase in food or nesting sites or any resources that they need because there is very little or no competition against them. So there is more food available for them because as their number increases, then the other species of penguin will decrease. So in terms of the number of penguins they're competing with, the other species is going to decrease, therefore they get more resources that they need. There could be a drop because of increased competition. It could have reached a point where they have reached their carrying capacity, so they've reached capacity where they've got a maximum number of penguins for their resources, so therefore there's going to be competition within their own species. Or there could also be a drop or a plateau due to the arrival of the other species of penguin, which is going to cause competition, because we can see on our graph that although the Adelie penguin starts to decrease, after 1995 we can see that there is an increase in the Gen 2 population of penguin. So therefore, as these penguins are increasing, then there is a dip in the population of the Adelie penguin, and also after 2000 you see a dip as the number of Gen 2 penguins will increase. So therefore they have increased competition between those 2 species.